Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to make this beautiful and super easy Tunisian crochet pattern. This is the front view of the pattern and this is the back view of that. I made that with Alize Baby Best yarn and a 3.5 millimeters Tunisian hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and start chaining. The number of chains should be multiple of 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And I made 17 chains. And now skip the first chain and insert the hook into second chain from the hook, yarn over and pick up a loop. Then go to next chain, yarn over, pick up a loop from that. Again, go to next chain, yarn over, pick up a loop. I have to repeat this work and pick up a loop from each chains until the end. Now I'm at the end. I hold all loops on the hook and now I want to collect them. Yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. One more time, yarn over and pull through next 2 loops and repeat that and collect each 2 loops on the hook together. I repeat that work until reach the beginning of previous row. Okay. Now I want to start row 2. First make 3 chains and yarn over. And then skip 1 and 2 loops. This is the first loop. We have to skip that. And again, skip next 2 loops, 1 and 2, and insert the hook under next loop and into that, and yarn over, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through the first loop, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook under same loop and into that, and repeat that work. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And repeat that work 3 more times. 1 and 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into same space, pull through 1, pull through 2, and for last time, repeat that work into same space. I made 5 stitches into same space. Now yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have to skip this loop because we made these 5 stitches under that and go to next 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and insert the hook under 5th loop and into that, and repeat this work here. Pull through 1, pull through 2. One more time. Insert the hook into same space, pull through 1, pull through 2, and repeat that 3 more times. 1 and 2. I made 5 stitches into same space. And again, repeat that. Skip this loop that made 5 stitch behind that and go to next loop, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and insert the hook into 5th loop and repeat that work. 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And after that, you have to repeat this work. Skip next 4 loops and make 5 stitches under and into 5th loop and repeat until the end. Now I'm at the end, yarn over, and skip next 2 loops after this loop, 1 and 2, and insert the hook into last loop and into back loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. I hold all loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and repeat that work until reach the beginning of this row. Okay. Now I have to repeat this row, row 2. First make 3 chains, yarn over, and insert the hook under 3rd loop of this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches in first group, skip 1 and 2, and insert hook into 3rd loop, and make 5 stitches into that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over and go to next group. Skip next 2 loops of this group and go to next group and insert a hook under 3rd loop of that. 1, 2, 3 here, and repeat that work for this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And repeat this work. Again, skip next 2 loops of this group and go to next group and make 5 stitches under 3rd loop of this group, and repeat this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end, yarn over, and skip last 2 loops of this group and go to last loop here and the back loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1 and pull through 2. I hold all loops on the hook and collect them. 1, 2, 3, and repeat that until reach the beginning of this row. And after that, you have to repeat this row until reach the desired height. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.